Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify digital signatures with DocuSign detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify a digital signature with DocuSign, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the DocuSign website. Log into your DocuSign account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the document you wish to verify. Open the document by clicking on its title. In the document view, look for the Sign or Certificate option. Click on this option to access signature details. A new window will pop up displaying the certificate. Review the certificate information to confirm the signature's validity. Check the signing date and time to ensure they align with your expectations. Next, verify the signer's email address and name listed on the certificate. Make sure the document status shows as completed or signed. If needed, download the certificate for your records. You can also use the certificate of completion for additional verification. To do so, click on the download option within the certificate window. Open the downloaded document to review its details. Ensure that it includes all necessary information such as timestamps and IP addresses. Look for any indications of tampering or discrepancies. If everything checks out, the signature is verified. For further verification, you can also contact the signer directly. This ensures transparency and trust in the document process. Once verified, you can safely proceed with using the document. Keep all verification records for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.